How to get emails for email marketing. Your email marketing campaign is only effective if you have a proper sender list. You must find people who are interested in you and your products. This is called positioning. As in any marketing channel, the target group is the one that can be converted the most into customers. Here are 10 methods you can use to build a high-quality email marketing list with the right people. 1. Call to action. You won't get what you don't need, which is more real than this on your website. This is so important that your landing page needs to be designed around a call to action, CTA. People want to be able to quickly assess what action needs to be taken, so your CTA should be the first thing visitors see. Think of it as an opportunity to give visitors a chance to access your valuable content. 2. Provide gifts. People are used to freeing content online, so the best way to take advantage of the opportunity to share free content is to make it valuable. In other words, give up the good stuff. If subscribers abandon your emails in exchange for poor content, which is worse than simply unsubscribing, that's what they think of your brand. So, make sure your gifts are worth the money. 3. Provide valuable content. Your fans are just as busy as you are. Put your newsletter in your inbox to make it worth the money. Find out what information they are looking for and create content that provides solutions to their concerns and problems. If you want to target busy moms, give them time-saving tips. Better yet, determine what kind of information they want to send. 4. Use social media. Your Facebook page, Twitter feed, YouTube channel, and Google+ posts provide valuable feedback on your audience. So, for example, determine which posts are the most popular. Do your fans respond better to pranks or DIY videos? If you sell design services but find that your jokes are better responded to, then you better find ways to incorporate humor into your content. Similarly, you can get different responses on different platforms. Keep track of popular content and repurpose it for newsletters, calls to action, and other products. 5. Install the pop-up window. Pop-ups, slideshows, menus, and pop-ups are everywhere, and there's a reason. Digital. In many experiments, the amount of acceptance of the pop-up was double and quadruple the original. They work well with engaging content because you can enable pop-ups in response to website clicks. Assuming the visitor clicks "Read more" and then enters the rest of the article, the pop-up window may provide an opportunity to have it all delivered to their inbox. Just make sure you don't force the subscription. Include a checkbox to close the window. 6. Install multiple pop-up windows. When the visitor is not on your homepage, they will not miss out on receiving your email because there is no obvious call to action. The best list builder makes email an unmissable part of your blog design, where visitors cannot see the log call. 7. Surprising. Your CTA should be as compelling as the product. Don't rely on auto-generated text to attract your potential fans. Talk to them about the topics that interest them. Make it an irresistible offer, instead of "sign up for our newsletter." Tell them what will happen. Starting this Sunday, attract more love into your life. Weekly. 8. Objective. This is so basic that we often ignore it. However, if you only offer discounts on pet products in the store, you will want to do your best to send the information to customers who have pets. Depending on the promotion, you may also want to mail to a local audience. Be sure to set up a separate list to focus on the correct group. Your customers can choose to use the drop-down menu or the checkbox to make a selection. Expert tip. Multiple options allowed. 9. On-site registration. Site registration is the most common and effective way for marketers to obtain it. Whenever visitors need to fill out a form on your website, give them the opportunity to automatically save the information. The best practice is to include a "subscribe" button so you know they are a game to get the actual email. Even if it doesn't, you know you have visitors planning to come back. It is up to you to choose an attractive offer. 10. Keep the subscription link convenient. Your fans can and will sign up to your list from somewhere other than the capture form on your website. Include links in your email signatures and those of your employees, social media profiles, and blogging resumes. Please watch the next video to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like for more.